Have you ever suffered with bloating? How about constipation, gas, acid reflux, or even gotten food poisoning, which could also be the stomach flu? Well, haven't we all? But you wonder, do I have to run to the doctor every single time? Not now. Now, what I've done is I've taken everybody's questions for 9 years and I wrote them in this book, and they include all of your questions too. And then I put simple, straightforward answers. I covered the anatomical structure from mouth to the other end. I covered nutrition, and I covered cleansing of the 5 elimination organs. This book is your reference guide to have on your table every day for your family, your friends, and your relatives in order to let them know how simple it is to help themselves for preventative and recovery of simple illnesses if you don't need to go to the doctor. It's right here. Intestinal Health.